This SENSARTE Nonstick frying pan skillet with lid is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a nonstick surface. This makes cooking easy and cleanup even easier. Food slides right off, and you won't spend ages scrubbing. The pan also comes with a glass lid. The lid helps to trap heat and moisture. This is perfect for cooking dishes evenly. You can also see your food as it cooks without lifting the lid. The SENSARTE Nonstick frying pan skillet with is also designed with your health in mind. It is PFOA free. This means no harmful chemicals will leach into your food. You can cook your favorite meals with peace of mind. The 10-inch size is versatile. It is ideal for making omelets for breakfast. It is also great for frying meat and vegetables for dinner. This pan can handle many different dishes. It is a true chef's pan for your home. Overall, the SENSARTE Nonstick frying pan skillet with lid is a fantastic kitchen tool. It offers convenience and healthy cooking. The nonstick surface is a dream to cook on and clean. The included lid adds to its versatility. While it may not make you money directly, it saves you time and effort in the kitchen. Unlike some Amarku knives or other devices, this pan is simple to use. It is a reliable pot for everyday cooking. Forget about inserts or complicated inversion cubed end methods. This pan just cooks well. And it lasts. It's a solid choice. And it won't break the bank like some caraway sets might. Pros: healthy cooking, PFOA free, comes with lid, even heating, good size. 10-inch. Versatile use, comfortable handle, looks good, durable, great value. Cons: not fully scratch proof, handle may get hot, oven temp limited, coating isn't lifetime, some say needs oil, longer warm-up time, handle needs assembly, heavier due to size. Features: nonstick frying pan, skillet with lid, omelet pan with cover, healthy cooking, chef's pan, non-toxic, PFOA free. This SENSARTE frying pan is a non-stick skillet that comes with a lid. It is also called an omelet pan and has a cover. You can use it for healthy cooking because it is a chef's pan that is non-toxic and does not have PFOA. This 10-inch pan has a special coating that stops food from sticking. It also comes with a glass lid so you can see your food as it cooks. This SENSARTE 10-inch nonstick frying pan is a healthy and convenient option for cooking various meals. It's made without harmful chemicals and comes with a lid to trap heat and moisture. The pan heats evenly, is a good size for most cooking tasks, and can be used in different ways. It has a comfortable handle and a nice look. Plus it's made to last and is a good value for the price. However, the nonstick surface might scratch. The handle could get hot. It can't go in a very hot oven. The nonstick coating won't last forever. Some people think it needs a little oil. It takes a bit longer to heat up. The handle needs to be put together. And it's a little heavier because of its size.